Okay, so welcome to how to use OBS or Open Broadcaster software. Open up your browser and type in OBS or Open Broadcaster software, and you'll come to this webpage where you can download for Windows, for Apple OS X, or Linux.
That's about it. And then here's the settings stuff. We'll go over sources first. In sources, you right click on your mouse and you hit add, and you can add different kinds of captures. Game is mostly used for game captures, nothing else. I'm using monitor capture right now to capture my whole monitor, and there's like different settings you can go through, but it's really simple, so we won't go through that. You can add both text and images, and then just can play around with that. It's really simple.
You can click Edit Scene to move around stuff. For example, the text that we have in the bottom right. You just click that, move that around, put that back into place, and
you can make stuff bigger and smaller.
Yeah. Go into Settings. We can go over the general settings. For example, the language, you can change the language to, for example, Chinese.
Or in Arabic.
If there's Chinese. Is there? No, these racists.
There is actually Chinese.
Oh, there is? Oh, okay. Broadcast settings? Or should we go encoding?
Encoding is not really used in recording. It's used more in live streaming, so we won't go through too much of that. Here is broadcast settings. The top part is all streaming and stuff. Here is what you actually need to do. It starts off as .flv. You gotta change to .mp4 if you want to play the video on Windows Media Player. That's about it. And then you can change where it saves the video here.
If you go to video, at the very top you can choose your graphics card. He's using the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 980, as well as the resolution for your monitor, as well as the downscale, so when you're live streaming or recording, it's not too high quality, and it will run smoothly.
And then here's FPS. I prefer 30 or 60. Anything more is not useful. Here's audio. You can change it from what your audio device is, and then I'm using the Yeti mic. That's about it. And hotkeys, you can change. You can add hotkeys and stuff like push to talk if you don't want it to keep recording. And here's advanced, which is not really that much needed except for this part if you're streaming or recording. You can change the preset here. The slower it is means that you have to use more computing power to actually record it or live stream it. So I'd suggest somewhere in the middle.
Yep, so thanks for watching. If you want to try this for yourself, mess around with the settings, see what it's like. And if you have any questions, just go on Google or the forums that they have at OBS. And OBS is in beta, so it will update every so often.
And there will be bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Thanks for watching.